Hello, my name is Richard Forquette, and this is for assignment 4.0 Rise Peer Feedback. I am going to review Jate Fuller's website. Upon looking at the website for Brands R Us, first thing you see is that logo that stands out, which I like because it stands out from the pink backdrop. Then scrolling down, we have this big picture, which is pretty good. It's a nice choice. I would say, if anything, probably it would make it a little bit smaller. I like about the About Us, it's short, sweet, simple, gets right to the point. You know, it doesn't drag out or anything. I actually like this little disclaimer down here. You don't see that a lot on websites, and that actually is a good thing to put because some people like to run amok. And then testimonies. I like this picture. It stands out. Gives you a little testimonials. When I was reading the testimonial, I like that had, you threw that in there for the personal feel. I would probably say have another two, maybe three more added if you could. Now this part right here is my favorite part, the pricing. Looking over it, the font of overall, the font of everything that from your texts is perfect. The breakdown right here, this just, for me, that does it. Because some people, they always want to know what's this, what's this, what's that. But for the price breakdown and having that detailed in there, it helps a lot to see what the customer is going to spend. And then underneath all that, the little seize the day, little wording there, telling them, like encouragement to don't be afraid of it, of the price and all that. I like that because that just, it's more of a homey feel, welcoming them to the page. Other than that, I mean, color choice, pictures, just a little bit big. The texts are great. What you put in the text is perfect. It's short, simple, sweet. Like I said, testimonials, just a little bit extra. I would say, I like it. I like that you put the testimonials in there for the site, so that way people know that somebody's using it and they like the company. Um, and that pricing, perfect.